Hello guys, it's Mokobeye. In this tutorial, I'll actually show you guys how to embed a YouTube link into your WordPress website, or the method in which you need to know. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to go WordPress website dashboard and you simply go to post. And you simply need to create a new post, or if you already have an old post you can simply go there, but I'm going to create a new post. So I'll simply put the title of the post, how to embed a YouTube video. So after doing that, I'll simply go to my YouTube channel and choose the video in which I want to embed. So I want to actually embed this link, that is this YouTube video. So the first method is that I'll simply copy the YouTube link like this and place it here. After that, I'll simply click on what? Save, that is publish. Once you are done publishing the video, you simply need to click on what? Pre-review changes. It's going to take you to another interface. So this is the video here. We are just embedding. So another method you can do this is that you can simply go to your YouTube channel, that is the video, and you simply click on the share button. After which you simply copy this embed code. So you can see. After that, you simply need to click on what? Copy. You now take this code and so we'll first of all delete this one. You now take this code and place it inside the text box. After which you simply need to click on what? Save. So we're going to close this other tag. So after saving your video, you simply need to click on what? Pre-review changes. So guys, that's the way they actually embed a YouTube video in your WordPress website. So I'm going to show you guys a method using Elementor Page Builder. So I'll go to the same page. This method can actually go for both the free version and the premium version. So I'll simply go to what? Page. After which I will simply click on what? Add new. After that, I will simply create a page. As I'm going to create how to embed YouTube link. Once I'm done with that, I will simply save the link, that is publish it, so that you can go live. I'm going to save the page, sorry. So after that, I will simply go back to my YouTube channel and copy this link. Sorry, I'm going to click on what? Edit with Elementor. I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. After which I'll simply need to create a slide. So you simply need to choose the structure you want to use to create your slide. After that, you simply click on this. Once you're there, you simply drag the copy editor, and you can simply put your title. So once you're done with that, you simply need to go to your YouTube channel and copy the link, or you can simply click here on shared and you simply copy the link and you paste it here. After which you simply click on what? Update. So as you can see, our page is actually live, so we are going to verify. So click on what? Pre-review changes. Guys, that's the video I just embedding. So you can simply use the text code. So I'll go back to my Elementor. So I want to show you guys how you can use that code. So I'll go back to my Elementor, I'll close this letter and create a new one, after which I'll simply go here and search for shortcode. After that, I'll simply drag this code and place it here. Once I'm there, I'll simply need to go back to my Elementor and click on what? Embed. I'll copy this code and paste it here. After that, I'll simply click on what? Apply. So guys, this is the link. After that, I'll click on update. Once it is live, we are now going to verify. So guys, this is a link we are just embedding. So guys, that's the various method in which you can use to embed a YouTube link into your WordPress website. Don't forget to leave your comment below if you face any difficulty doing this, and you subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.